Hey friends, it's Shelly. And I promised that I was going to tell you about this wall art that I have in my bedroom. Now, let me give a disclaimer. These metal sculptures that I have on the wall, I want to say I got them from Kirkland's years ago, and they were black, and I spray painted them silver when I got to this new house. So I took them out on the deck. I laid a tarp out. Please lay a tarp out, you guys, when you are spray painting, so you're not messing up your cement or deck or whatever. I spray painted it with Rust-Oleum metallic paint. These feather flower things here, I got these for $12 from Hobby Lobby, and I was getting ready to make them, but I'm so glad I didn't. I got them for $12, and so I put them up, and of course they look like this when I put them up, and I said to myself, they need something. And so I was thinking, Shelly, what can you put there? What can you put there? And I think, you know, a lot of my friends know that I love bling. They know I love bling. I got bling nails, bling watch, bling shoes, bling earrings, bling fingernails and rings. I love all things bling. And so I said, well, why don't I just buy a brooch? And this is a brooch from Amazon. I want to say it was probably $4, and it's big. If you look at the scale of it in the palm of my hand, it's a big brooch. And so what I did, you guys, was I also make jewelry. Don't judge me. I'm a jack of all trades. I took these jewelry pliers and I took off the part that we use to pin the brooch on. You see this? I took those pliers and I took them off the back. And then I used that hot glue gun and I glued around the perimeter and a couple of the petals. And then I just hot glued it, put it in the middle, and I held it there for a little while. Okay? And so now I have some pizzazz in it. And so what do you think? Comment below. Tell me, what do you think, you guys? I'm loving it. It's just the right amount of bling for me. It's not overdoing it. But tell me what you think. I'm really feeling it now. I can't wait to put this other one up. I'll take pictures and post that. But tell me what you think. And what would you do if you had the plain one like that? What else could we put in the middle of it to jazz it up? That's what I want to know. Comment below. What would you do to jazz that one up if this were on the walls in your home? All right. Thank you for staying tuned. Have a great evening. And don't forget to be safe, my friends. I'll catch you on the fly.